after his wife's disappearance, but those charges were dropped before her remains were discovered. He was taken into custody today in Arizona. He awaits extradition to Colorado. I'm Chris Coraggio.
The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for FNSBAK, beginning at 6 p.m. Friday, June 20th and ending at 2 a.m. Saturday, June 21st. FNSB alert. Level 3, go. Evacuation is now in effect for properties on all roads on Haystack Mountain. Evacuate now. Leave immediately. To see where you are on the evacuation map, click here. If evacuating, text 90738899696.
.com/free to